Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford Escape in an SEL trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. It does have vent shades on the windows, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing a very spacious cargo area that can't always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You got a 12-volt power outlet, and then underneath the cargo floor, you have your spare with some extra little room around in there. And this closes again with a simple press of a button. Looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 48,141 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy, distance to empty, trip timer, and then you have information such as your My Key, system check, auto start stop status, and four-wheel drive status, as well as having settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then, moving on, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk, and moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and moving down you have your media controls, hazards, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. You have your auto start stop shut off, traction control shut off, and then down here you have a USB and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. Then you've got your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Two cup holders, parking brake, little cubby there, and your two-tiered center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.